Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ketemu lagi di channel YouTube Bermanfaat. Oke, di video kali ini adalah quotes keren atau nasihat dari Ali Bin Abi Thalib. Ya, kita sama-sama tahu ya, Ali bin Abi Thalib memiliki julukan Babul Ilmu atau gerbangnya ilmu. So, banyak sekali nasihat, motivasi dan pencerahan yang akan kita saksikan di video ini.
Don't identify truth on an individual basis. Know the truth itself automatically. You will know who is on the right side. Silence until you are asked to speak. It is better than you keep talking until asked to be quiet. Do not follow majority, but follow the truth. Live in this world as a traveler and leave behind you every sweet memory. Indeed, we are guests here and every guest must soon leave. When a little hawk people who have knowledge are silent about an evil, then they, the perpetrators of evil, will think that they are in the truth. I felt all the bitterness in life, and the most bitter thing is to hope in humans. Do not say words that you do not like to hear when others speak them to you. People who think too much about the consequences of a decision or action will never be a brave person. Give your enemy 1,000 chances to become your friend, but do not give your friend a single chance to become your enemy. As weak as a human being is someone who doesn't want to find friends. And the person who is weaker than that is the one who wastes the friend who has been sought. Piety is fearing Allah, carrying out everything that comes from Him, being pleased with His gifts even if it is a little, and preparing oneself for death. Nobody can guard your secrets better than you, so don't blame anyone for revealing your secrets, for you couldn't hide them yourself. Your secret is your prisoner which, if let loose, it will make you its prisoner. The body is cleaned with water. The soul is cleansed with tears. Intellect is cleansed with knowledge. And the soul is cleansed with love. The person who does not control his eyes, his heart is worthless. If a word hurts your heart, get down and let it pass you. Don't put your heart in it so that your heart doesn't tire. A friend cannot be considered a friend until he is tested in 3 occasions: 1 in time of need, 2 behind your back, and 3 after your death. Don't tell your Lord you have great problems, tell your problems you have a great Lord. When you are anxious and restless about something, enter into it, because the fear of facing it is more disturbing than something that you fear yourself. Three kinds of people are unknown except in 3 situations. 1. Unknown to brave people except in situations of war. 2. There is no known person who is patient except when he is angry. 3. Not known to be friends except when the friend is in need. On honest friend's words are more valuable than property inherited from your ancestors. Swallow your anger, because you never find a drink that can leave a sweeter taste than that.
Oke, demikianlah video dari quotes kerennya Ali Bin Abi Thalib. Apabila ini bermanfaat buat Anda, silahkan di-share, di-subscribe. Sampai bertemu di video berikutnya.